Hello, this is Curtis Morrison. Quick video today. Let me see here. What is today? Wednesday, February 10th. I want to let you know that we have two status conferences this week concerning Proclamation 10014. One is today, one is tomorrow. Okay? The one today is before Judge Mehta. It is at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's 1 p.m. Pacific Time. And what this is a status conference in response to the Court of Appeals yesterday in the Gomez case and consolidated cases, but the Gomez appeal ordered that the record in that case be remanded to the district court to allow the district court to determine whether plaintiffs are eligible for interim relief and to take whatever steps are necessary to afford any relief found to be due. Also, the district court should determine from the government whether it intends to pursue enforcement of the proclamation. Well, pretty sure the government's going to intend to pursue enforcement of the proclamation because in our Young case in San Francisco, the government filed an appeal of Judge Chen's order from December 11th. So, yes. We already know the answer to the second part of that question. Biden is going to continue with Trump's anti-immigration policies. We know that. Okay. So this hearing is important. I hope that you can make it. It's actually important mostly to the issued DV 2020 winners that issued visas from September that all expire in March. That's who it's most important to. And that hearing is just in a couple hours. Okay, next hearing. Not hearing. I said hearing. I mean status conference. I correct you when you say it wrong, and then I say it wrong myself. Status conference and a hearing are different. Today is a status conference. Also, tomorrow we have a status conference. Tomorrow's status conference is in the Jacob, well, no, it's the related case to Jacob in the Young versus Biden lawsuit that's before Judge Chen, and that is at 11:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I guess. So what that status conference is about is in the Young case, how the government has made progress in implementing the Judge Chen's order, okay? And to be honest, they've made some progress, okay? We've got over 100 visas issued in that case, but there are still like 90 where they're still waiting for their interview. It's been scheduled, but they're waiting for their interview. And then there's a few oddball ones that we're working on. But for the most part, the government is making progress. But we still need the court supervision because scheduled interviews is quite different than issued visas and immigrants entering the country, right? Also, it will be interesting. This conference is the first conference with Judge Chen since two developments. One, yesterday he found that the Annunciado case is not related to Young, so he's not going to take Annunciado. He's not going to transfer it to him. And then the second development is last night, Kimberly Johnson, the U.S. attorney that works with the assistant U.S. attorney that works with U.S. Attorney David Anderson, actually appealed the December 11th order from Judge Chen. This probably will not have impact on the Young plaintiffs themselves because they either have visas or they have interviews scheduled, but it will be interesting to see if that subject comes up before the judge who's ordered that they are appealing. It may not come up. Okay, so those are the two status conferences that I hope that you can pay attention to this week. The one today, you can listen in with your phone, and the one tomorrow, on Thursday, you can actually watch. The status conferences before Judge Chen are on Zoom, and you can watch. Now, if you watch the status conference before Judge Chen, two important rules. You can't screenshot. You can't record it. That's not allowed. That's against the court rules. And also, you can't raise your hand. There's a little icon that says raise hand. Don't do that. that's just for the attorneys, so that they can enter a private little space where the judge is talking to you. The judge does not want to talk to thousands of people at the same time. He just wants to talk to their counsel. Okay? So, I like it. I love it. I'm passionate about our clients and the immigrant community understanding the litigation process and being part of it and us being transparent. So if you can listen into today's hearing and watch tomorrow's, I think that would be great, and I would appreciate it. Thank you.